Hi, Robert with Maui Property. We're here at Waipulani Park down in Kihei, and there is the parking area itself. It fronts several major condominiums in central to North Kihei, Maui Sunset being the one closest to us right now. But you can see that it's a beautiful beach park that is just really exceptional, very family friendly. We are looking at the West Maui Mountains right there with the windmills up on the hillside, and you can see this grassy area goes up, maybe a quarter mile or so, and all the condos are in front of it with their tennis courts and pool area. And then we have the beach area, which is just gorgeous. So that's looking south. You can see a little bit of Molokini. Kahulave is right there. People playing in the shallow waters, enjoying a beautiful Maui morning. Water is crystal clear. This beach actually goes on forever. Way up there you can see those smokestacks. This is 3 Mile Beach going to the north, and you can walk on this sand all the way up to Ma'alaya. Out in the distance you can see people on stand-up paddle boards and canoes, kids playing in the sand right in front of us. Absolutely a gorgeous day on Maui Nei.